How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to stop an asthma attack without an inhaler. So before we get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. We'll get back to you guys with more details. So asthma attacks generally last between 5 to 10 minutes. So if you still cannot breathe, then go to your doctor immediately, you guys. So the first tip that I will give is drink ginger tea, you guys. Ginger has been used for a long time to treat bronchitis. If you're experiencing asthma attacks, then have a cup and it should help you guys out. Tip number 2 is drink turmeric. Turmeric, you guys, has anti-inflammatory properties and will help stop the asthma attack dead in its tracks, you guys. So try turmeric. It will help you guys out. Tip number 3 is going to be sit or stand upright. If you bend over, it can restrict your breathing more. So I remember one time, it was track and field for my school, and I remember the one time there was this one kid, he had actually had his puffer on him. His friend had the puffer on him. He just finished racing and he was hunched over like crazy, and he couldn't breathe. His asthma was starting up, and everyone said, stand up straight, sit up straight, allow the air, allow the oxygen to get in your body. And I've always remembered that ever since then, you guys. But again, if you're hunched over and you're having an asthma attack, the worst thing that you can do, get as upright as possible. This will allow more oxygen to get inside of your body, you guys. So trust me on this. Upright, do not hunch over at all. Tip number 4, get away from whatever is causing your asthma attack. Causes of asthma attacks include cigarette smoke or dust. Those are the two major ones. I know a lot of times people have asthma attacks and they're standing right next to someone who's smoking. Get as far away as possible for that person. Or dust. If you are in a dusty environment, if there's any wood chips, any wood or sod making a really dusty environment, like down here, for example, this might be a pretty dusty area. Actually, I find it is a little dusty. Get as far away from that area as possible. That will help with your asthma attack. The worst thing that you can possibly do is stay hunched over trying to grasp for air while you're being in the same environment that is causing the asthma attack. So for example, if you're hunched over in a dusty area, this is not going to be a good time for you guys. Get as far away from the area as possible. Get away from the dust. Sit upright. And then if you guys at all possible, try to drink some turmeric or drink some ginger tea. That's going to help you guys out. If it's been longer than 5 to 10 minutes, go to the doctor immediately, you guys. End the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any comments, comment below in the comment section. I will try to answer all of them. Let me know in the comment section too if you guys have ever had an asthma attack and what are some tips that you guys give. Thank you for watching.